They're going crazy. They're yelling, screaming.
Where is your mother?
She's upstairs.
I could have been a kidnapper and take on her outside. And Uno's just answering door like say Uno to run this place. Come tell me where.
I really need you to help me.
Tell them to stop right now.
Stop it.
No, shut up.
You have to stop. You need to calm down.
Girl, idiot girl! You don't make them kick in your rule, you. Pat them sitting up right now before me kick in your face right now. Listen to your mother. Me not play with you. Not really kick them in their face.
Okay.
But you know, box them if you take it upstairs right now. Come me box you on your head side.
Do I actually kick them in the face?
No, you make them feel like say you really are gonna kick them in them face. Come out of your bathroom now. Fling them over a fence. Where?
Can I go outside, please?
Don't you have homework?
We always go outside.
So what's all this neck rolling, all this neck rolling? You're not going outside. Go upstairs before me pop your neck. So I want to reach out here. You want me to fling you over the fence?
No, no.
Come out for your bike right now and go up there. Come up for your bike right now. Go up there right now. Yeah. Now follow them, you know. Cause you're not too young, forget it.
I don't want this. I want chicken nuggets.
Y'all gonna stop it? Y'all gonna eat what I gave y'all, or I'm gonna whoop your ass.
So you do it, girl. Me like that. Tell them. I'm proud of you. Chicken nugget me ass. Alright, later guys.
Bye, Auntie Nanny.